Hello friends and hello guys, welcome to my channel। और लास्ट ट्यूटोरियल्स जैसा कि मैंने आपको काफ़ी सारा इंट्रोडक्शन जो है वो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल और उसके बाद माइक्रोसॉफ्ट वर्ड के काफ़ी सारे हमारे पास ट्यूटोरियल्स अवेलेबल हैं। और माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल पे हमने काफ़ी सारे ट्यूटोरियल्स बनाए हैं। उसके बाद हमने एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के ऊपर काफ़ी सारे ट्यूटोरियल्स किए हैं। और अगर आपका रिस्पॉन्ड अच्छा आया तो आगे जो है वो हम वीडियोस बनाते रहेंगे और इसी तरह से ट्यूटोरियल्स अपलोड करते रहेंगे। सो गाइस, अगर आपको ट्यूटोरियल्स से कुछ फ़ायदा हुआ है या आपको कोई भी ट्यूटोरियल्स जो हैं वो पसंद आए हैं तो आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं, आप इस वीडियो को लाइक कर सकते हैं। इट्स अप टू यू हाउ यू will react on my videos. So if you have any questions, I am telling you before starting this tutorial that if you have any questions then you can ask me in the comment section below and I will respond to you as soon as possible. And my day is quite busy. I'm busy every day, and I am appreciating that I took my time and I gave you some time for making these tutorials and videos, and I'm sure that you will like that content I'm creating for you. And for appreciating me, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. So we are going to start the videos of our today's lecture. And in the last videos we have discussed about the Microsoft Excel and the Microsoft Word. In the Excel we have discussed about the introduction of the Excel and also some basic formulas and cells and columns and then charts and how to insert data, how to format them and how to save the file and how to print the file. All the basic things we have discussed, and this is our last tutorial about Microsoft Excel and the spreadsheets. So we are going to discuss here about performing mathematical tasks, about the functions and formulas that arithmetic operations and mathematical operations used in the spreadsheets. So we are going to start, and keep watching and subscribe my channel. So this is the formulas and functions of Microsoft Excel and spreadsheets of Microsoft Office suite. This is the tool of Microsoft Office, and this is the Excel, and we are going to discuss about formulas and functions of mathematics in the spreadsheet and Microsoft Excel. The function sum is mentioned here below. This is equal to sum b1 is the maybe row name or the column name and colon, and then b6 and bracket is closed. The formula is equal to b1 plus b2 plus b3 b4 and b5 and b6 and so on, whatever you want to continue. So let me explain these formulas here. Excel reads any expression that begins with an equal sign as calculation. All the functions and formulas begin with an equal sign. So Excel basically reads every equation and function and formula that starts with the equal sign. It considers the equation which start with the equal sign. If you enter a data in a cell with starting with the equal sign, then the Excel and spreadsheet will consider it as a formula and the function in the Microsoft Excel. So all the functions and formulas begin with an equal sign. So you can say that that's all the functions and the formulas you want to put in the Microsoft Excel or you want to use in the spreadsheets, that must be start and begin with the equal sign, and that's okay. So this is how graphically we are going to represent the formulas, how to enter the formulas in the Microsoft Excel and spreadsheets. So first of all, you have to select the cell where you want to calculate and make the calculation, and then you have to enter the data into that cell. So the sum up by using the sum formula. This is the sum formula, and this is starting from the column b1 to the column f3, and this is summing up all these columns and will show our the sum of all these columns into the section. You can see this in the below fields that it is showing the sum of all the columns and in this column. So we'll gonna enter the data into this, and we will enter first of all the equal sign. Add, as I told you earlier, that the equation in the formula or function and in the Excel and spreadsheet will start from the equal sign. So we will insert equal in that cell first of all, before starting any formula, before writing any equation, or before writing any function. We have to put the equal sign. This is the equal sign, and this is the column. We are going to enter the formula in that column, and this is the equal sign, and we are going to put the equal sign the first of all the formulas and all the functions and all the equations. So then we are going to start the sum of all these functions, and we will write a function of sum, sum, and then we will write some parentheses, and the b3 is the column B and the row 3. So we are going to giving the Excel sheet the address of this column, that from B3, starting from the B3, and then column means 2, from B3 to F3. This is the meaning of this equation, and this is F, and this is 1, 2 and 3. This is F3. So this is the blue identification that is showing that you have selected and a formula starting from the B3 and to the F3, and it will sum up all these columns, a highlighted area. So this is all, and after you enter the formula into the cell, and when you press enter, it will show you like this, and this is the output of the formula, and it will not show you the formula exactly what you have written, but it will show the result. So the sum of 30, 25, 40 and 20 is 115, and the sum of 25, 30, 30 and 20 is 105. And yes, you can add any number of formulas and the functions and the equations you want to enter in the Excel sheet. So that's all, and now we are going to the next and copy paste formulas, how to copy and paste the formulas in the spreadsheet. And so this is how you can copy and paste. You can copy this column, and then you can copy this column and you can paste this column, and the formula is also copied. Keep in mind that formula is also copied, and the next column will also show the sum of all the related columns, but it will show you from B5 to F5, not from the B3 to F3, and that's all. So you can drag and drop also the columns and the rows to extend the formula and add the formula in many other columns, and that's all. So this is the copy paste, and this is inserting, how to insert the average function, and this is auto sum, and you can also insert the functions and auto sum or average function from the menu also. So how to print a spreadsheet, this is very important. How to print a spreadsheet before or after making the spreadsheet, how you wanna going to print the spreadsheet. So to print a spreadsheet, click the file tab, point to print, and then click print to specify the pages that you want to print in the print dialog box. Under print page in the form and two boxes, type the pages that you want to print, and that's all. Here you can see the file menu and the print option, and here you can select the copies of the function, and you can select also the size and the margins and the orientation of the, and also the scaling up. And after all this setting, and you can also select the printer, which printer from you want to make this print, and then place when you click on the print function, that will select that printer and print that spreadsheet on from that printer. So this is the last slide of the lecture, and we are going to finish up this lecture. And I'm asking to you, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below. I will respond to you seriously as soon as possible I can, because I'm very busy and I have a very busy schedule, but I also make my schedule and make some videos and tutorials for you. So that's why I am not telling that I will respond to you urgently, but I can say that I can respond to you as soon as possible I can, if it is possible. So that's what. Thank you for watching my videos, and if you like the videos, please subscribe my channel and like my videos, and thank you for watching my videos. So the next tutorial will be going to be done on the, maybe you can suggest me in the comment section that on what tool of the Microsoft Office we are going to make the other tutorial, but I will suggest you that we are going to make the videos on the PowerPoint. So let's go and let's wait and see what is going to be done. So bye bye for the now, and thanks again for watching my videos and supporting me. Thanks.